Shortest path is an algorithm originated from graph theory that calculates how to connect two nodes of a graph in a minimum number of hops. You can use it to identify one or several paths connecting two nodes of your graph. In your visualization, select one or two nodes. You can access the shortest path panel by right-clicking on the node, selecting Queries, and then Shortest Path. The same menu is available in the left panel. If you selected two nodes, they will be used to pre-fill the shortest path end and start points. If you selected only one, you will have to type in the destination node. Click on the Find Shortest Path button to display the path connecting your nodes. Click on it to display it. The path between the two nodes appears in red in your visualization.